fingertips trace every scar, but underwater no one knows who you are. I wear silence like a crown, queen of everything that drowns. There's beauty in the still despair, like falling slow through midnight air. And if the surface never sees me again, at least I sank where I began. I'm drowning slow in the deep end, wrapped in silk and secrets I defend. The further I fall, the more I feel free. This isn't fear, it's who I'm meant to be. I don't want air, I don't want saving. The dark below is what I'm craving. Take me down where the light won't bend. Let me go in the deep end. I don't swim, I surrender. Let the tide remember. No more surface lies. Just hush and rise. I'm drowning slow in the deep end, wrapped in peace. I can't pretend. The silence sings, the dark ascends, and I become the deep end.
Midnight humming like a loaded gun, boot prints echo where the shadows run. Silver ring on a trigger hand. I don't pray, I just take a stand. Smoke in my lungs and I pass that bite. I wear my sins under neon lights. No disguise, no second skin. I let the wolves come walking in. You can dress it up, you can call it fate, but some of us were born to tempt the gate. I don't knock, I break the frame. Yeah, the devil knows my name. So light the fire, dance in the flame. I don't run from hurt, I rose from pain. Put your crown on someone tame. The devil knows my name. I walked through hell, came back unchained. Turned that wrath into a war I claim. Don't need your love, don't need your shame. The devil knows my name. Deadbeat angels talking tongues, but I speak truth from battered lungs. Kicked in doors with a bloodied grace, still kept that grin across my face. Broke the mirror, broke the mold, turned my dirt into solid gold. I'm no saint and I don't fake. This world bends, but I don't break. You can bless the rain, baptize the flame, but monsters pray in the same old name. I don't hide, I don't explain. Yeah, the devil knows my name. So light the fire, dance in the flame. I don't run from hurt, I rose from pain. Put your crown on someone tame. The devil knows my name. I've walked through hell, came back unchained. Turn that wrath into a war I claim. Don't need let them curse, I've won worse. Let them judge, let them point. I was forged in the joint of steel and storm, born to transform. So light the fire, dance in the flame, make the thunder scream my name. Saints may cry, kings may fall, but I stand 10 feet tall. I've walked through hell, came back unchained, and yeah, the devil knows my name.
Cigarette burns, cold in the breeze. Eyes like loaded weapons, don't tease. I don't knock, I don't speak twice. I just show up, cold as ice. Build my name in the smoking flames. Carved it deep into the outlaw game. This ain't luck, this ain't chance. It's power that makes the shadows dance. I walk like war, boots hit hard. Every step's a strike, every glance leaves scars. I don't run, I don't flinch. My world don't move unless I clinch. Blood of gold, I settle the score. So when I move, I walk like war. Yeah, when I move, I walk like war. Smoking my lungs, still in my grip. Word on the street is I don't slip. Black suit sharp like a guillotine. Soul runs cold, but my game's pristine. They count me out, then I own the room. Drop dead silence like a tomb. They talk rules, I talk cost. They play king, I play boss. I walk like war, boots hit hard. Every step's a strike, every glance leaves scars. I don't run, I don't flinch. My world don't move unless I clinch. Blood of gold, I settle the score. So when I move, I walk like war. They don't see the war behind my eyes. Every smile's a plan in disguise. I don't shoot unless it's clean, but when I do, I wipe it clean. I walk like war, rain or flame, no mask, no fear, no shame.